Happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrate. Hello, welcome to the Thanksgiving Day vlog. There's going to be 2 videos up today, and then a video up on Saturday that I thought I was going to post. Well, maybe, I'm confused. I've confused myself, but I've also already sneaked some stuffing. Stuffing is my favorite. And I can't wait to have leftover turkey sandwiches. Absolutely thrilled. And I just finished watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. The one hostess, it's her last year. Oh, I hope she goes on to have some more fun adventures. I'm also drinking some ruby cranberry tea from Magic Hour. My hair is looking quite the hot mess because I slept in it wet. I just got out of the shower and didn't do anything. I was just yep, went to sleep. I do like my new sheets. They have stars on them. The pillowcases and things. They're quite fun. But yeah, I'm over here. Just, like I said, finishing watching the parade. Dinner isn't for a few more hours, so I'm just going to be kind of chilling, might clean up the room a little bit. But actually, I have a little unboxing to do, so let's do that. Okay, so the first thing that I have is from TJ Maxx that I ordered. It is a cute little gingerbread mug. Come on. Oh, it's so cute. And it comes with a little spoon. It has a little hanging bit, the little peppermint go into your mug, but it also comes with its own little peppermint saucer. This is a really cute, that's what it's called. It's called the CR Gingerbread Cup and Saucer Set. I get emails from them, and there is just fibers of the styrofoam just all over. So definitely need to wash it before using it, but is that not so adorable? For those of you who don't know, my mother themed our Christmases. So her theme is Santa Claus, my brother's theme is snowman, and mine is gingerbread. That was assigned to me early on in life. Then the next thing, I have a package from Lush. This is a lot of Christmas presents, but the people who they're for don't know. So it'll be fine. Let me... There are now peanuts all over the bed. Okay, we'll just do that. It's fine. My bangs are so poofed right now. Oh, my peaches. Okay, turn this slightly. That'll make it a little easier on me. So this is the wonderful Just the Way You Are. I don't remember getting any Wicked stuff, but I guess that's just a PR thing that comes in it. So let me double check all of the names because I get so many Lush names confused. So I have the Dreaming of a White Christmas. This is the little snowman in a snow globe. It has some silver glitter going on, silver and blue glitter. And this says that the scent is Jasmine Absolute. This is very if you've ever had Sex Bomb, it has a slightly, it's like Sex Bomb and lemon zest. So it has a little bit of a sweetie fruitness to it, but with just a hint of bergamot. And so cute. It has Lush at the bottom. I got 2 of these. They turn colors. There's different colors inside of this. So as you do it, as you use it, it disperses a bunch of colors and looks really pretty, at least according to the little picture that Lush has on their site for it. Then I also got a couple of these. These were so adorable. These are little penguins, and that's just what they're called. They're just called penguins. Ah! Ooh, that smells really sweet. Like baby powder with a little bit of lavender is how I would describe that scent. Let's see what the official description is. It is bergamot, orange flower, mandarin. This doesn't smell very... This doesn't smell... This has a lot of citrus, like mandarin, orange, lemon, bergamot. This says that it has a lot of citrus in it, but this smells like baby powder and lavender. I wonder if maybe one of the other scents infused it. But that does not smell citrusy. Then this is Star of Wonder. So this is beautiful. It has this little end broke, but there are little multiple colors in it, and this one spins. At least that's the claim, that it spins. I bought multiples of these. I think there's 3 of them in my order. And this smells... that smells... Okay, yeah, coconut. Candy, popping candy, peppermint oil. Yeah, that smells like candy and like just a little hint of peppermint. It's not an overwhelming peppermint. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? And like I said, this one sounds really cool that it spins as you use it. So maybe not the best one if you want that effect to break into pieces, but that one feels like another star. That's another star. Then the last 2 things I got were their gingerbread. This is called Catch Me If You Can. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look very brown. It looks more like a standard gingerbread cookie on the thing, but this actually has gold glitter on it. It has a yellow backing, and there's some kind of a blue on there. Smells like gingerbread though. Yeah, it has cinnamon, some orange in it, cream of tartar. Yeah. This one has, and this one also has like a slightly floral scent to it. Is there any floral scents in this? Gardenia extract. Okay. Yeah, I was going to say there is just a little light floral. Again, it's not overpowering, but I did get 2 of these. I wonder if the other one looks any different. I don't know if maybe they have different designs, you know, try to make them unique like regular gingerbread. Oh no! This one lost his leg. He's not running anywhere. You can catch him. You can't. But yeah. So we got, and now there's glitter just everywhere. Go ahead and stick these back in here. But yes, so that was my little Lush unboxing, Lush haul. Again, only a couple of those things are actually mine for me to use. Most of them are Christmas presents. But yes, so I just wanted to throw a little something extra in here just because I know my vlog is like, hey, we're having Thanksgiving. Anyone else having turkey and cranberry sauce, you know? But I'll pop in with you guys in a little while. And I hope that you're having a good Thanksgiving and get to have a good weekend. And even if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, hopefully you got time off of work and just get to have a chill day. And yeah, I will check in later. okay, makeup is done. I went for like a green kind of deep purple. I have on Shameless from Revlon, topped with some soft rose from Milani, their plumping gloss. I'm just going to leave my hair down. I have my pretty pumpkin earrings in with my little jewels. They're my favorite. I did use my straightening iron on my bangs just to try to help flatten them out a little bit more. Brows, eyebrows, and everything. And I think that we are killing it. And now we just gotta wait for the meal that this lipstick isn't gonna make it through. Here's the remnants of our meal. We went through almost a whole bottle of Canada Dry Ginger Ale. We attempted to have lottery winnings. Well, Dad won. And we also have, I was the only one so far who had a piece of pie. And I had pomegranates too. I don't think anyone else did. And the carrots are almost gone. But here's what happened. Our roaster, like we have this little extra roaster, and this is what we cook the turkey in, but we think there's something wrong with the mechanism. Like, I know this stuff has been peeling off from getting washed, but the turkey was supposed to be done, like it cooked for 6 hours, and so it's supposed to be done around 3. Well, then it was not, so we had to let it cook a couple more hours. So we ended up having dinner around 5 instead of 3.
Yeah.
And Mother was starving and not happy. And that's why there's almost no carrots. So she was like, I'm starving, eat some carrots. Go back to whatever. And I ended up taking a nap. But we have our fireplace going and everything, and now we get to go into manic mode, because since we don't have a week or a handful of days between Thanksgiving and December, because December is this weekend, it's like, quick, rip it all down, throw the lights up, get the snowman. And we actually have to do stuff tomorrow on Black Friday, like go out into the world, because we need things. So, full from a nice meal of gratitude and joy. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go pull my Christmas stuff down. So my bag ripped, and I love this bag. It's my Peanuts Christmas bag. I love Peanuts. You might be able to tell. No. I'll have to tape it back up and just not keep everything in here. But yeah. So probably just going to be a chill evening the rest of the time. Yeah. So exciting stuff. I will see you all in the next videos. There's going to be Vlogmas, and it's going to be good. This year's Vlogmas should be better because I had 70 hours of vacation to dump into December, because sometime, like not quite at the beginning of the year, but a little later on, we were told that our vacation isn't allowed to roll over anymore, and they were like, you got to use all your vacation or lose it. So I dumped it all into December. So I have most of December off. And the only one good, decent thing that my office did for the employees, the new managers that we had starting last year or the year before, they're the typical managers. Yeah, why don't we just say that? Every stereotype about, like, not great managers, except maybe SA, that's what they got going on. So, anywho, the only decent thing they did was they said, because we can't have any rolling over hours and we get accumulation hours, is that if we ended up with, 7 hours or 3 hours or some odd amount of hours that wasn't 4 or 8, they would just round it up. So if you had 3 hours, you would get 4 hours of vacation that you could use, because we're only allowed to use are PTO, which they call ETO, but you're not allowed to use it in an actual emergency because you have to give them a half-hour heads up, and you have to use it in 4 or 8 hour increments. And if you're like, well, what if you just need an hour because like your kid's sick or you get a flat tire, so you're like, hey, I'm using an hour of ETO and then I'll be in. It's because the guy who's like he's not actually HR, but he's like the stand-in person for that. He just didn't want to keep track of that. Yeah, he was just like, yeah, I don't want to do that. And he has a position in the office where he's like, yeah, I just don't want to do my job. I have a lot of people in my office like that. Anyway, I digress. So I had 7 hours left over, so I got an extra vacation day that they rounded to 8, and I still have 12 hours of my ETO. And so the one day they didn't give me, I'm like, I have from the 10th to the 19th off, and the 23rd, which is our last work day, which was stupid. But anywho, the guy in the HR was like, yeah, I'm not going to give you the 20th off. I'm like, bro, I'm not coming in on the 20th when I've been off for 10 days and then coming back for 1 and then being off for another 8 or 9. No. So I'm going to ETO that day and leave early on that Monday. So I basically only work the first week of December. So yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye. Pause.